Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's sticky chicken wings cooked in the Ninja Foodi. This is so easy and delicious, you'd be surprised you've never made it sooner. I've taken the little trivet off the bottom of the basket and popped it straight into the cooking pot. I have got a heaped teaspoon of vegetable salt and I've got my chicken wings that I'm going to cut into pieces. So find the joint, don't go through the bone, and just cut the joint. This will make them cook more easily and they'll be easier to eat. So just throw those in the cooking pot. I have 2 kilos of chicken wings here. Use poultry shears if you have them, but it just goes through the joint quite easily. And continue with the rest. We're going to pressure cook these and then we are going to add the marinade, and I'll show you that in a little bit. We'll be serving them with our maple bacon smashed potatoes, and I'll show you that in a different video as well. So just cut through the joint like so, quite easily. You've got a little drummy there. This one's got the 2 pieces of bone in it, and of course you've got the little flipper on the end. Lots of flavour in there, don't discard those, and continue with the rest. Okay, there's your chicken wings there. We just add our vegetables, salt to that, give it a stir around, and then pour it over our chicken wings. We're going to cook that in the pressure cooker function for 10 minutes. Pour that all over. Now the reason that I've taken the trivet off is because I want this to actually go in with the stock, and then when I want to remove them, rather than pull them out one at a time, I'm going to lift the whole basket out. That stock that remains in the bottom is gold. Don't discard that. That is going to be in all your soup, risottos, sauces, all sorts of things. Into the Ninja Foodi, pressure cook, 10 minutes. 10 minutes up for our chicken wings. Okay, we're just going to remove that and set it to one side and keep the stock that's in there. Okay, so just pull this out. It'll drain away. You don't have to pull them out individually then. And that stock there is going to be cooled and using lots of other recipes. So we just put that to one side. For our coating on our chicken wings, we have got some barbecue sauce, sweet chili sauce, maple syrup, tomato sauce, little splash of sriracha, smoky paprika, put cayenne if you like, honey, some Himalayan salt, garlic and chili flakes, and some freshly cracked pepper. Alrighty, just mix this all around until it's well combined. Now these have been draining away nicely. We're going to get the Ninja Foodi Grill now and tip our chicken wing bits into the Foodi Grill. Now they've only been cooked for 10 minutes, so they're not quite cooked through. Now we're going to pour our sauce over the top of it, give it a good stir around and cook it on the air fryer function. You can do this in the Ninja Foodi if you want to, but I'm using the grill because I've got 2 kilos of chicken wings, which is a lot. So if you have the larger Ninja Foodi, by all means use that, or use a lesser quantity of chicken wings, or do it in a couple of batches. But there's all our lovely flavours on there now that are going to get roasted into those chicken wings. So just give it a good stir around, and we're going to be cooking it every 2 minutes on the air fryer function. We're going to give it a turn around, okay? And that's going to give it a nice golden colour. It'll caramelise the sugars in those sauces and it'll be absolutely stunning. 220 degrees, air fry for 2 minutes. Don't worry about preheating it first. You don't need to do that because it's heating as it's preheating and the chicken wings are already hot. Okay, you can see they're starting to dry out a little bit. The sauce is getting a little bit thicker and sticking to it. Just give it a stir and just keep cooking it until you're satisfied with the colour that it's gained. Okay, after 8 minutes, turning them over every couple of minutes, you've got some gorgeous colour on these. They're falling off the bone. They're that moist and tender. They're filled with flavour. Crispy bits, brown bits, not so brown bits. So everybody gets to get their actual choice. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's sticky chicken wings cooked in the Ninja Foodi and the Ninja Foodi Grill. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. That's a very economical meal. You don't even have to look at it. You can just sort of suck that meat off the bone. Oh, it's fall apart tender. And that'll just wipe clean. How simple was that? 10 minutes of pressure cooking, 10 minutes of the Ninja Foodi Grill, basting all the time in its own sauces. Didn't even have to marinate it. That's how good it is. Thanks for watching. Okay, now these are incredibly hot. I'll pick one up and try not to burn myself, and look at that. The meat just falls off the bone. Oh, it's too hot to eat. By a long way. Look at that. Thanks for watching.